Welcome to News at SMI. I am Nakshatra of Class 7. Today's headlines. Election Commission on Saturday announced the schedule for state election 2022 in UP, Punjab, Goa, Uttarakhand and Manipur. India report highest single-day spike in new COVID-19 cases in 222 days. Tamil Nadu announced lockdown on Sunday. Files go missing as Congress alleges massive corruption in Kerala Health Department. CPIM Congress making open battle calls in Kerala over K-Rail project. Kazakhstan president gives shoot-to-kill order against protest. Rising COVID-19 cases rise question over scheduling India-West Indies series. CBSE CISCE Term 1 result expected next week. News in detail. The wait is finally over as the Election Commission of India announced the date for the upcoming assembly polls in Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Goa, Punjab and Manipur on Saturday. Addressing a crucial press conference, Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra informed that polls in all the 5 states will be held between February 10 and March 7 in 7 phases. The counting of vote and the result will be declared on March 10. India report a single-day spike of 1,41,986 new COVID-19 cases, the highest in around 222 days. Even though the coronavirus rise in the state Kerala, Health Minister Veena George on Saturday refuted all media speculations and said complete lockdown will not be imposed in the state at the moment. Following a sharp increase in COVID-19 cases and the highly transmissible Omicron variant, the Tamil Nadu government imposed a complete lockdown on Sunday starting from January 9th onwards. The Congress party in Kerala on Saturday alleged that the disappearance of numerous files from the health department clearly signals that there has been a massive corruption that took place during the purchases made for tackling COVID-19. The ruling CPIM and opposition Congress in Kerala seems to be making open calls for battle over proposed semi-high-speed rail project amidst concern that the state was heading for a Nandigram-type stir. The rapid rise of COVID-19 cases in the country has raised the question over the scheduling of upcoming white ball series between India and West Indies. Thank you.